Good morning and welcome to Travel World Online News Bulletin, your premium daily wrap-up of global aviation, hospitality, and corporate travel trends. I'm Anika, bringing you the top headlines reshaping the travel ecosystem today. Air India evaluating no-meal economy fare option for select domestic routes. India moves closer to year-round Ladakh access as Zojila Tunnel records historic breakthrough. Virtual venue tours become the new normal as hotels embrace digital twins. IHG expands in Himachal as branded hospitality moves beyond India's major cities. Corporate travel is back, but CFOs are watching every rupee. Delhi Zoo goes digital with launch of smart navigation app and self-ticketing kiosks. Now, news in detail. We begin in the Himalayas, where India has achieved a historic breakthrough in the main Zojila Tunnel project. Stretching nearly 14 kilometers at an altitude of over 3,000 meters, this mega infrastructure feat brings India significantly closer to year-round road connectivity. By bypassing the harsh winter closures of the Zojila Pass, the tunnel will drastically slash travel time between Sonamarg and Minamarg. This development is set to permanently transform local livelihoods and crucially strengthen strategic logistical access to India's northern borders. In hospitality technology, digital twins are becoming the new baseline for event planning. Tivoli Hospitality Group has partnered with venue tech firm Spalva to roll out immersive 3D digital twin technology across its properties. This allows MICE and wedding planners to virtually inspect layouts, customize decor, and collaborate in real time without a physical site visit. Industry experts suggest this digital shift drastically compresses sales cycles and positions immersive visual tech as a critical differentiator. Planning a quick getaway to the Middle East just got much easier. Dubai's General Directorate of Residency and Foreigners Affairs has announced that eligible tourist visa applications can now be processed within 48 working hours. Available for both 30 and 60-day single-entry visas, the digital initiative requires a passport valid for at least 6 months. As Dubai remains a top destination, industry stakeholders expect these fast-track timelines to significantly boost last-minute travel confidence. Corporate travel is back in a big way, but CFOs are holding the purse strings tightly. A new report reveals that 74% of Indian companies plan to increase business travel over the next year to drive growth. However, 68% are prioritizing cost optimization. Nearly half of corporate India is deploying AI-powered booking tools. Businesses are actively moving away from fragmented systems toward integrated platforms to evaluate every single trip against clear ROI. Global hospitality giants are moving heavily into Tier 2 and Tier 3 mountain corridors. IHG Hotels and Resorts has signed a deal to develop a new holiday inn in Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. Strategically located, Mandi serves as a critical administrative hub and gateway to Kullu and Manali. This move underscores a massive industry shift to capture exploding domestic leisure demand, fueled by major national highway upgrades. And finally, the National Zoological Park in Delhi has officially stepped into the digital era. Union Minister Kirti Vardhan Singh has launched the new NZP Sathi app alongside advanced self-ticketing kiosks. The app provides visitors with an interactive digital map to find enclosures alongside curated paths like expresses and family tours. Coupled with UPI-enabled kiosks, the tech push effectively eliminates long ticket queues, modernizing the entire visitor experience. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. For deep dives and live updates, stay tuned to Travel World Online. I'm Anika, signing off. Have a productive day ahead.
You are watching Travel World Online.